I'm showing you how to do makeup with no foundation. This is gonna be all clean beauty, so we're gonna do a lot of LYS products. Just putting this on the high points of my cheeks. And then we're gonna go in with concealer. We're using the LYS Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer. And I'm only putting this on the areas that I feel I need a little bit of extra coverage. Blend it out. Next, we're gonna go into bronzer, and we're gonna use the Cream Bronzer by LYS and in the shade Motivate. I wanna deepen it up a tiny bit, so I'm gonna go in with Harmony. Then we're gonna go in with some cream blush. We're gonna go in with Classy. And for the eyes, I'm going in with the bronzer stick.
Nova Beauty Smoky Palette.
LYS Speak Oil. Speak Love Oil. Thank you, Christine.